For this question, we are given the graph of a function right here. And I know this is not the best picture, but you guys should have the handout in front of you, okay? And I put down the important numbers on the board already. And we are going to find the range of the function. So remember, range is the set of all the possible y values. So you are going to just go to the lowest point of the graph, which is right here, which is at 3. And then the highest point is right here, which is at 11. So the range is going to be y is in between of 3 and 11. And you can write this down like this: less than or equal to, less than or equal to. Check this out. The opening is toward the big number, right? So you see 3 is less than 11, and then, yeah, less than or equal to, like that. This notation means y is in between of 3 and 11, including both 3 and 11. So this right here is it. This is the range of this function. However, before we go, I want to use this opportunity to go over domain with you guys. So if the question is asking for the domain, well, remember the domain is the set of all the possible x values. So in this case, you can see that our starting x value is at 2. And then our last x value is at 11. So the domain will be x is in between of 2 and 11. And then just put on less than or equal to, less than or equal to, including both of the endpoints. All right. So that's it.